Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 4th, 2021. We're here to give you all the best stocks to buy right now. We're going to look at two price charts and show you all why the market is explaining or displaying to us that these stocks are anticipated to go higher in price. Before I do, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure you hit the like button, share, and also subscribe, because we're literally here to give you all the play. We're here to give you all how the game is actually played and how to actually win in the market. And if you want to win, then hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe. Tap that bell notification so that YouTube can notify you of whenever we upload our videos to this particular platform to ensure that you are winning in the market right alongside with us. So I wanted to start off this video real quick and just show you all the performance of the 4 stocks that are in our simulated portfolio and how the performance of these stocks are going so far. You guys can see out of the 4 that is in the basket, 3 of them are up. 1 is down 6.5%. The other 3 are up about the same amount. Pretty good. We will update this portfolio over the weekend. Take a look to see if we need to take the market out profit, or shall we continue to let it ride until we see the market go higher in price. And you can do all that relatively quick, just simply looking at the price chart. And also, if we need to add another particular stock to this portfolio, we will do that as well on the weekend. So make sure you tune in and watch our videos that we upload on the weekend to see what we're going to do with this portfolio, so you all can learn and track and see how this game is actually being played. All right, so let's go ahead and go into these 2 stocks real quick. The first one that we are going to look at is Conduent. The ticker symbol is CNDT. A lot of people are not going to tell you about these stocks. Now, we did a price prediction on our website all the way back in June of 2020, expecting the market to go higher in price. And literally, you guys can tell right before the market went lower, it did go higher. But that's over. That's old news. Let's take it off the chart and let's get in position for the next move. Already, you can tell that the market in Conduent is in a uptrend. There's no need for us to see anything different. We don't need to explain anything. Nobody needs to explain to us that the market is anything otherwise. The market in the Conduent is still going higher in price. So we established the current trend. The current trend is higher price movement. Now, with that being stated, we can also see an area of restriction into the market in Conduent, which is around $7.25. That is going to be the next location, if not maybe a little bit lower, around $6.90 is where the market is finding restriction. So already we've created an area of forecast right here. This is where the market is going to find some gyrations. This is where we would expect to see some market volatility to come through for this stock. Right here, I've just circled it. Okay, we would expect some selling to come to the market around $6.80 all the way up there towards $7.25. We are already thinking on that premise that once the trap takes the price in Conduent there, we need to expect some selling to occur, so we're not caught off guard once the market takes a dip. Now let's take a look at the market in Conduent on a bigger time frame. This is a 3-day time frame in the market in Conduent. And you can see here that the market generally is not giving us a lot of weakness. The strength is still being garnered. Like I said, $6.80 to $7.25 is where the market restriction is. On the 5-day time frame, the market definitely looks strong. And even going forward, as long as the market really holds price above $6, we will see the market come up there towards $7.30 or so. If we break $6 to the downside, then the next restriction area really is going to be around $6.80. So that's how we're going to stair step that particular forecast or play into the market in Conduent. But even here, the market is still emphasizing that it wants to go higher in price, and that's going to be the outcome. We're going to play the strength into the market in Conduent, and we're going to do this on the daily time frame. All right, so this gives us a pretty good idea as to where we're expecting the market to go. Now, we'll say that $6.80 we would expect the market to find some restriction there. And we will have to exit out the market a little bit, take some of that profit off the table at 6.92%. But I'm going to extend it all the way up there towards $7.25 because we also know that that area is restriction as well. And there it is. We are in position. As long as this market in conduit trades above that ascending line, this market is anticipated to see a higher price. And even at the and looking at the other time frames, the market is still garnering strength right now. And now the second one that we're going to look at is Sabre. Okay, you guys can see that even in Sabre, the market automatically is giving us some strength. Let me show you. We're going to go ahead and draw the line. And the reason why we're saying that the market is in an uptrend is because the trap has confirmed this trend twice already. Okay, so even if we were to see the market go lower, as long as we don't break this trend to the downside, we are still in play to see the market go higher. All right, so you can see as I zoom out, right, that the market already in Sabre is finding the last area that was acting as support right now, which is around $15.20. When you look at the market on a different time frame, you can actually tell that the strength is still being garnered right around that area. So this $15.20 price level, I am expecting it to be broken to the upside. Okay. And the next area then, since I'm not looking for the $15.20 to be restriction, the next area is going to be right there around $17.35. Okay, that's going to be the second area of restriction, even towards $18. Okay, so once we get rid of all of the sellers that's around this $15, $16 area, we're going to come up here towards $17.50 to $18, if not a little bit higher. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that forecast into the market for Sabre as well. Okay, so we said that $17.25 will be the first area that we would come in and skim off the market there, which is still about 13%. I'm gonna take it all the way there to 18 though in the long run, which is about 17.75% profitability right there. Okay, let's go ahead and extend this out. I'm gonna play this on the daily time frame, and we're in position. These are the two stocks right now, based off what the trap has already laid out for us. Looking at it, it's telling us that he still wants to increase this particular price. So we're going to play that. We're going to look for the market to continue to trend higher for these two stocks. And if you all think there's another stock that you think is going to go higher in price, leave us a comment in the comment section. We'll go ahead and take a look at it. And if we see the same thing, we'll go ahead and do a video and give everyone else a heads up as to what we're seeing on the price chart that you think is going to go higher in price. So make sure you leave us that comment in the comment section. But until then, make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.